How to save file in PDF format. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way how you can make any documents in PDF. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first, if you have any data or file like Word, okay, so you can see if you have any file in Microsoft Word format, so just open that file. Okay, just go to the file, this file options, go to save as, go to the save as, just browse the location where you want to save. Okay, so just select this option, and here you can rename this file. Okay, and here you can see save type. You need to just select this option and select the PDF only, and this file will be saved as a PDF, as a new file. Okay, so this is PDF file has been open. You can see this is file was in Google Word format, so it is now converted in PDF. Okay, that is how we can make the PDF format. And if you have any data in Note, like Notepad, if you have data like in Notepad, so you need to just select that. Okay, so here you will not, here you can't see the option to save as PDF format. What you can do, just select all data by clicking Ctrl+A, just copy it and come to the Google Microsoft Word and get the new file. Go to the new, get the new documents, and just paste this data here, and now you can save this document as a PDF with the same process. Okay, so you can see both document has been converted in PDF. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.